siya yung huling-huling, mga siguro 10 sa huling tinawag na may gift. Akala niya wala siyang matatanggap kasi puro lang siya bigay.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Good morning mga Zoogs! Welcome back sa aming channel. Oy! Mimi! For today's vlog, kami ngayon ay papunta sa UP, sa Bahay Alumni. Dahil merong school si Mimi. Bakit? Ano meron sa school? Dance.
Mommy watching me.
Yeah. Only Mommy?
Daddy and me.
And Coco. Family are watching Mimi dance for their Christmas presentation. Kaya hindi ko na patatagalin pa.
Christmas.
It is!
Not.
Hindi ba? Ano, Pasko?
Yes.
Babe, the Tagalog of Christmas is Pasko.
No.
It is.
It's not.
Ayan, papunta na kami.
I got
Kompleto ang
gift
buong pamilya.
yesterday. I got gift yesterday.
Mm-mm.
And I got Play-Doh.
Nah.
I got all of Play-Doh.
Yeah, and Mommy doesn't like
The Play-Doh.
Play-Doh. Tama.
Kaya.
Yo, bawal. Ito na kami.
Play-Doh. When you pee?
UP.
No.
UP Diliman. Mas bigger yung stage dito. Dati kasi si King tsaka si Aliyah sa Claret lang eh.
What's Claret?
Claret School. Doon yung
Claret?
stage
Oh,
nila.
I have a classmate named Clarel.
Clarel. Yan yung mga nagbabike. Ganda dito sa UP. Pag umaga, maraming nagja-jogging. Ganda.
Mama,
dito,
I
oh.
on the highway.
Ganda dito.
Mama, I said I
Parang ibang bansa.
Hmm.
Ganda.
Mama, I said I want
Walang pasok. Okay, we are home.
Yeah, I came from the dance. I got my gift.
Okay. Advent Calendar Day. Number 4 kami ngayon.
I got a lollipop. I got this.
What's that?
More dog. I got this. I don't have a dog, you know.
Show me. Lele, show me.
I don't have a dog.
Ducks.
No, this.
Mimi, Mimi. Oh, what did you get,
This is
Mimi?
where all my ducks go, guys. I got 1, 2,
Yeah.
3. I got this.
What's that?
I got this again. This is the matching again.
Oo, pantali ng
Oh, I
buhok.
forgot about.
Oh. You wanna wear that, Mims?
There's 12 here, guys.
Okay. What will you say?
Thank you, Tita Sam.
Yeah, and we made it, guys. Pickleball on a Saturday, ba?
Yeah, Saturday.
Yeah. King is with us. Oi, why do we always see each other in the hallway?
Yeah.
Parang last vlog, nasa hallway din eh.
Bye guys.
What's that?
Bye.
Ayun, so we're about to play again, the 4 to 7 p.m.
Kasama namin to for the first time.
Good luck.
I'm holding on, if almost gone. Someday I know I'll finally make it through the gates. Just have to wait. You whisper to me, there's no maybe. There's only time for dreams even greater. I hear the call, and I close my eyes to see even clearer. I see it all. I know that we can go higher if we keep our faith, if we keep our faith. Sometimes I'm like a whisper in a riot, but I grow stronger, keep believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me.
umpisa namin, si Mimi, sinamahan namin sa dance recital niya. Dance presentation for Christmas from their school. Parang year-end nila for this year. Umiyak siya kanina kasi yung last na ending nung dance nila is exchange gift. So, siya yung huling-huling, mga siguro 10 sa huling tinawag na may gift. Akala niya wala siyang matatanggap kasi puro lang siya bigay. Kasi may mga iba pa kaming binigyan na re-regaluhan. Tapos nakita ko siya umiiyak. Sabi ko, bakit? Tinuturo niya yung mga gifts. Wala pa pala siyang nakukuha. Hindi niya alam meron. Siyempre lahat ng bata meron. Meron
iba
silang
yan?
exchange gift. Iba yun. Yun yung nagbunutan sila. Remember, may binalot tayo para dun sa nabunot niya.
Okay.
Oh, so yun. Kaya yun. Tapos,
She did a good job eh.
oo, grabe. Feel na feel niyang sumayaw. Kung
She got all
makikita
the
niyo
steps.
naman. At kabisado niya ha. Grabe yung TikTok. Kasi yun yung naging training ni Mimi. At syempre mana siya kay Aliyah. Kasi talagang pag nagsasayaw si Aliyah, ginagaya niya. Todo bigay pa. Kaya next year naisip ko, i-enroll ko din yan sa dance class. Tapos yun, umuwi kami. Pagka uwi, natulog si Andy. And then naglaro kami ng pickleball. First time ni King at nagustuhan niya. Kaya tomorrow ulit, meron kaming game.
Is he gonna play?
He's gonna play daw.
Pero baka sociable. Yun lang.
Feel na
Kasi-
feel niya. Adrenaline, niya, rush kanina. Talagang
Yeah, but he
high
did.
na high.
The first game, hindi siya masyadong.
Siyempre
Galing
conscious pa.
But by the third game, okay na.
Okay na siya. Parang mas na niya na. Na-pick up niya agad eh. Kasi nag-trading siya before naman sa tennis. And medyo at least alam niya yung way of playing with the racket. So ito with paddle, mas madali kasi yung pickleball than tennis. So ayan, kami ngayon ni Andy ay nasa car. Papunta kami sa Christmas party. Medyo late kami kasi nga ang dami namin ginawa today. Naligo pa kami at nag-ayos ng konti. Tapos may dala kaming mga pang-exchange gift. And hopefully makaabot pa kami sa dinner kasi gutom na kami dahil hindi pa kami nagkakain. And we are 7 minutes away lang. Malapit lang to actually sa bahay namin. Tapos wala namang traffic.